Okay, so I want to talk about how to do this homework assignment that you have. And this is what it looks like. Let me close this window up here so we can see the whole thing. First thing we want to do is we want to write on there our mnemonic, which is SO, CAH, TOA. Always write that on any form that you are kind of going to think you might be using trig on. Remember, I'm going to have you memorize that and write that on your worksheet when you're sitting here getting ready to do your SOL. So right here, I'm going to look at this one. It says the sign of Z. First step is to identify where is Z. Right here. There's angle Z. Now I need to identify where the hypotenuse is. The hypotenuse, there's my right angle, so I know the side opposite the right angle is your hypotenuse. Take your finger, place your finger on the Z. The sides I'm touching, one side is my hypotenuse, CVH. The other side is going to be my adjacent. So this side is the side I was touching, so this is the adjacent. The third side then is the opposite. Sine, I want to go over to my ratio, means I'm talking about this guy. I want O over H. What's my O? O is 40. What's my H? 50. So I know that that's going to equal the sine of Z. Okay? I can simplify that ratio down to 4 over 5. Let's say you can't remember how to do that. Please check. I've got the virtual calculator online, so even if you don't have a graphing calculator at home, you have one here you can use. Now I'm showing you again. Remember how to reduce. I take 40 divided by 50, hit enter, math, I want to choose 1, enter, enter. So I got 4/5. Remember how to do that. That's a big help to you all when you can't remember how to reduce the fraction. So I just did a sine function. Let's find another type. Well, here's a tangent. So we're going to do the tangent of angle C. First, identify the angle. Where is my hypotenuse? You got to look at the right angle. Side opposite of that right angle is your H. Put your finger on it. I'm now touching the H and the A. I know where my H is. I've already identified that. So now I find the A. The third side is the side opposite, so it's the O. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I know that the tangent of C equals my opposite, 15, over my adjacent, which is 36. Does that reduce? It does. And let's see if you can't come up with that answer. Let's look at cosine. The cosine of C, find your C, find your H. There's my right angle. This is my hypotenuse. Touch your C. What side am I touching? Notice I'm touching the H, and that means that this side over here is the A. So, and that means this is the O. They want me to find the cosine of C. Cosine is A over H. So the cosine of C equals A over H. A is 7, H is 25. I don't think that reduces because 7 is a prime number. That's all I'm going to do on this. This whole worksheet is just doing that over and over and over. Doesn't take you long, but it is going to take you thinking and doing the problem. Won't take you long at all. Okay? Hopefully that's enough help. If you need more than that, give me a call back and I'd be happy to help you. Have a great evening.